Good morning, Mr. Dance.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Miss.
Good
How
morning.
are you today?
Good morning, Miss.
I'm fine.
I'm
How
fine.
about you?
Thank you.
Right. Glad to hear that you are all fine. I'm fine too. So before we begin the class, let's we pray together. Pray start. Pray and well, before we begin the material, let me share my screen. Can you see my slide?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
All right. So before we go to the topics, I have a question for you. So do you have any favorite food?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Uh,
Miss.
what about Indah? What is your favorite food?
Fried chicken, Miss.
All right, fried chicken. How about Suciati?
My favorite food is meatball, Miss.
Great. Septia?
My favorite food is the same with Suciati, meatball, Miss.
Great. How about Juniarto? Agus Juni?
My favorite is Indomie, Miss.
Great. Well, all of you have your favorite food. So, do you know how to make your favorite food? Do you know how to make fried rice? Do you know how to make meatball? Agus Juni, do you know how to cook Indomie?
Yes, I know, Miss.
Great. How about Indah?
Yes, I know, Miss.
Okay, good job. So, can anyone guess what is our topic today based on our conversation before? Based on the question and the answer that we talked.
Procedure text, Miss.
It's about procedure
Exactly.
tech.
Yes, exactly. We are going to talk about procedure text. Have you ever read or see a procedure text?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
okay, great. So we learn more about procedure text. So here is two example of procedure text. Please take a look on the screen and please analyze the similar of those two procedure texts. Do you see any similar words between those two texts? Can anyone mention it?
Can I, ma'am?
Sure.
I see how to make.
Great. How to make. The first one, how to make?
Fried eggs.
Great. And
Fried
the
egg.
and the second one is how to make
Mango juice.
mango juice. Great. What else? The words that have similar meaning. Do you know what is ingredients in bahasa Indonesia?
Bahan-bahan, Miss.
Bahan, Miss.
Great. What about materials? Do you know what is materials in bahasa?
Bahan-bahan.
Great.
Bahan.
So materials and ingredients are the same the same meaning, has the same meaning, right?
Yes, right, Miss.
Okay, what about steps? What is steps in bahasa?
Langkah-langkah.
Langkah-langkah.
Langkah.
Great, langkah-langkah. What about method?
Sama langkah-langkah.
Great. So steps and methods are has the same meaning. All right. So here's another example of procedure text. So do you find this kind of words on the previous example?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great. It's called the goals or the aim of the text. So how to make a pencil? The goals of this text is to tell the reader how to make a pencil box. And the previous text was about how to make mango juice. It means the text is written to tell the reader how to make a mango juice. You got the point?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
I got the point, Miss.
Miss.
Right. Next, you find this word on the previous text?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Right. This steps is consists of the materials, everything we need in the making something. For example, when we want to make a pencil box, so this is some the things that we need in the preparation. This is the things that we need to prepare. And the next, you find steps in your in the previous text.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, great. So the steps is everything we have we need to do in making something, like wash the plastic bottle and cut the bottle and etc. until the end of the process. So based on your observation, there are several things that similar from this procedure text and the previous procedure text. What do you think the generic structure of the procedure text?
The goal,
Miss.
Yes, the goals. Next,
Material.
The
material,
great, and
The steps.
exactly. So, um, so based on your understand, what is the purpose or the goals of this procedure text?
How
it
to
is
make
to
pencil
tell
box.
the reader about how to make a pencil box.
Great. What are the materials needed?
An empty
Glue.
plastic bottle.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Sharp cutter.
Sharp cutter.
Great. What else?
A piece of white and colorful paper.
Good job. Next.
Some
Some
pins.
paints.
Great. And
Some glue.
Some glue.
great. The next is steps. What we need to do to make the pencil box? The first thing is
Wash the
Wash
plastic.
The plastic
bottle.
bottle.
Make sure it is clean when
Make sure
you
it is
use.
when you use it.
great. Wash the plastic bottle and make sure it is clean when you use it. The second step is
Cut the bottle into
Cut the
two
bottle
halves.
into two halves.
great. Cut the bottle into two halves. The third step is
Wrap the bottle with
Wrap
a
the
piece of
bottle with a
colored
piece
paper.
of colored paper.
great. And the last step is
If you use plain paper, use the pen to make a drawing on it.
Great. So I think you got the point about the procedure text. Do you have any question before we continue to the next activities?
Moving on it.
Right. No question. So we continue to the next activities. So please make a group. Each group should be consist of 3 students, 3 or 4 students, and each group have to choose one blank card on the screen. Do you have you got the have you make the group?
Yes, Miss.
Right.
Yes, Miss.
Group 1, which one do you want to choose? Which card?
Card number 1.
All right. So card number 1 is food. So the second group is the second card, right? And it is about drink. What you need to do is each group have to write is an example of procedure text. For the first group is about food and the second group is about drink. It can be everything. Whatever you want to write, it is okay. So it can be your favorite food or your favorite drink or anything else. The text should be consist of the generic structure. Can you mention it once again? Goals,
Material,
materials, and
The step.
the steps. Okay, you got the point?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
All right. I will give you 5 minutes to work with your group. Please work on the WhatsApp group that you have you have already. And do you think 5 minutes is enough to write your procedure text?
Yes, I think it's enough, Miss.
All right, so 5 minutes from now. All right, because the times is up, have you done, my students?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
All right.
Miss.
So please, one of the group members read your works to your friends. Want to start group 1 or group 2?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go on.
Our group make how to make fried chicken. And the ingredients is 1 kilogram chicken, 1 pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt, and teaspoon chili powder and oil. And 100 grams of maizena flour, 400 grams of flour, half teaspoon baking soda, and teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon instant broth powder chicken flavor. And the step how to make is, first is liquid ply. Mix cornmeal of milk powder, baking powder, pepper, salt, and MSG. Stir it slowly. Put the egg yolk and water little by little while stirring until it's mixed well. Keep it in a refrigerator or private cool. And second step is dry ply. Mix all of dry ply. And the third, season the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic, and chili powder. Mix it well for about 15 minutes. And the fourth step, roll the piece chicken into dry ply until all the surface is full and flour. Dip it into liquid ply and roll it back into the dry ply. Do the same step again. And the fifth step, heat the oil and fry it until the color is brown. Lift it up, drain it, and set in serving dish. And the last, serve it with chili sauce or tomato sauce. I think that's all, Miss. Thank you.
Well done. Thank you, Group 1. You made how to make fried rice, right? Yeah. And next, let's continue to the second group. Second group,
All right,
please.
Miss.
Okay.
In here, our group will make how to make a cup of coffee. And the ingredients: coffee powder, sugar, a glass of water, and a cup. And steps: the first, boil the water in a pan. And the second, prepare a cup. And the third, put 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar, or as you taste, into the cup. And then pour the boiled water into the cup. And next, stir well. And next, wait for about 3 minutes. And finally, a cup of coffee is ready to serve. Thank you, Miss.
All right. Well done, all my students. So I think you got the point. You understand about our topic today, that is procedure text. So before we end the meeting, let's sum up a little bit about our topic today. So let's start from the beginning. About procedure text, who still remember what is the goals of the procedure text? Why a procedure text written?
Can I, Miss?
Yes, Agus Juni.
To tell the reader how to make something.
Great. Good job, Agus Juni. And then what is the generic structure, or what is the important part that should be exist on the procedure text? There are three things that really important. Yes, sure, Chichi.
The first one is goal, and
Yes.
the second one is bill, and
Mhm.
is step.
Great. The first is goals, the second is the materials, and the third is steps. Great. So now can you if I ask you to make a procedure text, can you make it by yourself? Okay,
Yes,
good.
Miss.
Okay, good. I think that's all about today's material, about today's lesson. I hope you are learning something from today's meeting, and I hope you enjoyed today's class, and I hope you all always happy and healthy. Thank you for your participation, and see you by next week. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye,
Bye,
Miss. Thank
Miss.
you.
Thank you.